In this video, I will show you 3 easy steps on how I am promoting affiliate links through email marketing and how you can do the same. And at the end of this video, I have a really cool bonus for you. So make sure to watch the full video till the end. The first thing is you need to find a good affiliate product to promote. So there are basically 3 main evergreen niches that you can choose to find a product to promote, which is health, wealth, and relationship. So why these 3 niches are evergreen? Because there are always interest and there are always good product you will find inside these 3 niches. And you can also find a lots of different marketplaces where you can find a good product to promote, such as ClickBank, Chevizu, Warrior Plus, and Commission Junction. So these are the very popular marketplaces where you can use to find a product to promote. Instead of using these marketplaces, I recommend you to find a product to promote from the private company. Because a lots of time the product from these marketplaces are very crappy, so it's very difficult to find a good product inside these marketplaces. So right now by myself I'm promoting the product from the private company that I will show you later in this video. And you need to find a product to promote that can solve the specific problem for your audience. So you are in any niche, but you need to find a good product that will solve the specific problem of your target audience. Because if your product is not good and your product can't able to help your audience to solve their specific problem, then they will never gonna purchase you. And if you are a beginner affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to start with only one product. Don't promote more than one product at a time. So at the front end, you just need to focus on promoting one product. So build your funnel, your email automation to promote only one product. And if you want to promote more products, then you can promote the products on the back end, but not in the front end. And as a quick tip, I will recommend you to go to the social media platforms and see what others are promoting. Suppose you pick a health niche, then go to the different social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and see what others are promoting in the health niche. And when you see more affiliate marketers are promoting the same product in the same niche, then you need to start promoting that product because that product is already selling. That's why lot of other affiliate marketers are promoting the same product. And if I talk about myself, then right now I'm in a wealth niche, and inside the wealth niche I'm in a make money online niche, and inside the make money online niche I'm in affiliate marketing niche, and right now I'm doing a high ticket affiliate marketing. And right now I'm promoting a course that teaches people how they can become an affiliate marketer or freelance digital marketer. So the product that I'm promoting is called Legendary Marketer. So Legendary Marketer gives people great online marketing education and show them how they can make money online as a freelance digital marketer or affiliate marketer. And I see lots of other people who are in affiliate marketing niche, they are also promoting Legendary Marketer and they are making a good money by promoting Legendary Marketer. That's why I started promoting Legendary Marketer. And there are two main reasons that you also need to promote Legendary Marketer. First is Legendary Marketer gives people a great affiliate marketing education and show them how they can make money online as a freelance digital marketer or affiliate marketer. And the second thing is Legendary Marketer also have a great affiliate marketing program that will allow you to earn high ticket commissions without selling any high ticket product by yourself. Because Legendary Marketer have a great value ladder as well as a great sales team that will sell the high ticket courses to your audience. And if someone decide to purchase, then you will get a commission. So you can earn $1,000 per sale without selling any high ticket product by yourself. That's why if you don't have any good product to promote, then I highly recommend you to start with Legendary Marketer. And Legendary Marketer also have a 15-day business builder challenge, and inside that challenge they teaches you how you can start your affiliate marketing business in just 15 days. And the good thing is you will get your one-on-one business plan advisor once you start the challenge, and you need to book the Zoom meeting with your advisor, and your advisor will help you to build your customized business plan. So if you want to learn more about Legendary Marketer, then check the link in the description below. But right now if you are promoting a different product, then no worries, because the method which I'm going to show you in this video will work on any product. Now in a second step, I will show you how you can create a bridge page funnel to build your email list. So once you have a product to promote, then you need to build a funnel to build your email list. So now I will show you my actual funnel as an example and show you that how I'm promoting Legendary Marketer using automated funnel and email automation sequence. So the first step of the funnel is you need to drive a traffic. So right now I'm using TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels and YouTube Shorts to drive traffic inside my funnel. As I told you before, right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer, and Legendary Marketer teaches people affiliate marketing. So I know that my audience is interested in affiliate marketing, so that's why I'm creating a short form content in these social media platforms to drive traffic who are interested in affiliate marketing. And at the end of all of my content, I have a call to action that if you want my free affiliate marketing case study, then click the link in my bio. Because I know that if my audience is interested in affiliate marketing, then they are also interested in getting my free affiliate marketing case study. So once they saw my video and click the link in my bio, then they come to this page. So this is the first page of my funnel, which is also called the landing page. And the main purpose of this page is to capture people's email address who visit this page. So in this page, I give people my free affiliate marketing case study. So if someone come to this page and if the people are interested in affiliate marketing, then they click here. And once they click here, then they need to fill their name and email address. And once they give me the name and email address, then they go to the other page, which is the second page of my funnel, which is also called the bridge page. And here I write important. Be sure to watch the full video to get access of my free affiliate marketing case study. So inside this short video, I tell people that how they can get access of my free affiliate marketing case study. And later in this video, I also talk about legendary marketer, how legendary marketer will help you to make money online as an affiliate marketer. And if you want to learn more about legendary marketer, then click here. And once they click here, then they go to the sales page of legendary marketer, and once they purchase a product, then I will get a commission. And I already captured the name and email address into this page, so I will follow up with them with email automation and promote legendary marketer in the future, and eventually they will purchase legendary marketer and I will get a commission. So right now I will show you my actual email automation sequence that I am using to promote legendary marketer, and I will also show you what you need to do inside your email automation to promote any product. So now in a step 3, I will show you how you can create email automation to follow up with your leads. So your email is the most important asset of your online business because you own your list. So suppose you create a content on social media platforms, but you don't own that platform. What if they ban your account? You will lose everything. But if you have your email list, then no one will take the email list from you. So that's why email is the most important asset of your online business. An email list is like printing money. So money is in the list. And if you have more emails of people, that means you will make more income. And the most important reason to build an email list is to build a relationship with your audience, because you need to build the know, like and trust factor with your email subscribers. Because if your email subscribers will never trust you, then they will never buy anything that you recommend to them. So that's why by using your email automation, you need to build a strong relationship with your email subscribers. And on average, one email subscriber is equals to at least $1 to $3 every single month. So if you have 1,000 people inside your email list, then you can make at least $1,000 per month. If you have 10,000 people in your email list, then you can make at least $10,000 per month. So this is the power of your email list. And the main goal of your email automation is to solve people's objection, provide them additional trainings, and show them other people's social proof. So if you are promoting any product to your email list, your email subscribers have a confusion that the product will actually help me to solve my problem or not. So as an affiliate marketer, your job is to solve all the objection of people. And once you solve all of their objection, then they will definitely purchase a product that you are promoting. So now I will show you my actual email automation sequence and show you that how I am promoting legendary marketer by using my email automation sequence. So you can see here, this is the software that I am using to create my funnel as well as my email automation, and this software is 100% free until you have 2,000 people inside your email list. So if you are a new affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to start with this software, because this software is 100% free, and inside the free plan you will get access of all the tools that you need. So if you want to learn more about this software, then check the link in the description below. So as you can see here, I am getting people email address every single day by creating a content on social media platforms. And now I will show you my email automation sequence. So once I go to email and click on campaign, then you can see here, I already have a pre-written emails inside my email automation sequence, and I have a 23 pre-written emails. That means if someone give me their name and email address into this page, then they will get 23 pre-written emails, each email per day. So this is my entire email automation sequence. And as I told you before, the main purpose of my email automation sequence is to remove people objection, give them additional trainings, and show them other people's social proof. So right now I'm promoting legendary marketer, but my audience have a confusion, and legendary marketer solve other people's problem or not. So my job as an affiliate marketer, I need to remove all the objection of people, so they will definitely purchase legendary marketer in future, and I will get a commission. So as you can see here, in my first email, I give people instant access of my free affiliate marketing case study that I promised them in all of my content. So if someone open this email, then inside the email, I have one link says click here to get access of the case study, and if someone click here then they go to this page. So in this page they can get access of my free affiliate marketing case study. So here I have one video which is 40 minutes long, and inside the video I show people everything that I'm doing inside my affiliate marketing business and earning commissions. So if you are a beginner affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to get access of my free affiliate marketing case study. You will find the link in the description below. So in my first email, I give people access of my free affiliate marketing case study. Now in my second email, I introduce myself. So if someone open this email, then inside the email, I told people that how we came from India to New Zealand as a migrant, and right now we are earning money by doing affiliate marketing. So by using this email, I build a trust with my audience, because I know that if my audience will never trust me, then they will not purchase anything from me. So by using this email, I build a trust with my email subscribers, and at the end of this email, I told people that if you want to start affiliate marketing, then click here. And once they click here, they go to the sales page of Legendary Marketer, and here we have a one video from the creator of Legendary Marketer, Dev Sharp. And inside this video, they will explain everything that they will get inside the 15-day business builder challenge. And once they decide to purchase, then they click here and make a purchase, then I will get a commission. So by using my email automation sequence, I am building a trust with my email subscribers. And here you can see I have one email says proof is Legendary Marketer legit. So if someone open this email, then inside the email I talk about the creator of Legendary Marketer, Dev Sharp. So he featured in Entrepreneur magazine, and Entrepreneur is a very big magazine. So if Dev Sharp got a chance to feature inside this magazine, then definitely Legendary Marketer is a legit product, because lots of email subscribers have a confusion that Legendary Marketer is actually legit or not, and it will help me to make money online as an affiliate marketer or not. So that's why I write this email that Legendary Marketer CEO featured in Entrepreneur magazine. So definitely Legendary Marketer is a legit product. And if you want to start with Legendary Marketer, then click here. And once they click here, then again they go to the sales page of Legendary Marketer, and once they purchase, then I will get a commission. So I am removing people's objection by using my email automation sequence. And here you can see I have one email that says proof affiliate marketing works. So if someone open this email, then inside the email, I talk about the best strategy for beginners. And if someone click here in this button, then they come to this page. So in this page, I have a lots of reviews of people who got the training from Legendary Marketer, and right now they are earning their first commission. So here you can see this guy says, I made my first ever commission. So this guy took a training from Legendary Marketer, and he made his first commission by doing affiliate marketing. And I took this screenshot from the Facebook group of Legendary Marketer. So you can see here lots of people who took the training from Legendary Marketer, and right now they are making money as an affiliate marketer. You can see here this girl says the only direction is up, celebrating my first commission with LM. So you can see here the lots of beginners are making their first commission by taking the training from Legendary Marketer. And I have a lots of reviews of other people. You can see here this guy earned $1,050 in just one day by promoting Legendary Marketer, because I show you before that Legendary Marketer also have a great affiliate marketing program that will allow you to earn high ticket commissions without selling any high ticket product by yourself. So this is the second reason that you need to start with Legendary Marketer. And then I told people that if you want to learn high ticket affiliate marketing, then click here. And once they click here, again they go to the sales page of Legendary Marketer, and once they purchase, I will get a commission. So by using this email, I show people that the other people who got the training from Legendary Marketer, and right now they are earning their first commission. So you also need to start with Legendary Marketer. And I am also giving people the training about affiliate marketing, so they can start affiliate marketing. So here you can see in this email, I give people access of my interview with the creator of Legendary Marketer, Dev Sharp. So if someone open this email, then inside the email, I show people my interview with the creator of Legendary Marketer, Dev Sharp. So I started with Legendary Marketer, I got the training from Legendary Marketer, and then I started earning a high ticket commission from Legendary Marketer. That's why the CEO of Legendary Marketer, Dev Sharp, took my interview. And inside this interview, I talk about my story, that how I started affiliate marketing, how I started from Legendary Marketer, and right now I am earning very good money by doing high ticket affiliate marketing. So by showing my interview with the creator of Legendary Marketer, Dev Sharp, I am building a trust with my audience. And then I have a call to action that if you also want to make money with affiliate marketing, then start with Legendary Marketer. And once they click here, again they go to the sales page of Legendary Marketer, and once they purchase, then I will get a commission. So this is the exact thing you need to do to promote any product. You just need to remove all the objection of people, and once you remove all the objection, then they don't have any choice instead of purchase the product that you are promoting. And congratulations to watch the full video till the end. So as I told you before, if you watch the video till the end, then I have a really cool bonus for you. So as a bonus, I want to give you my free affiliate marketing case study where I show you everything that I'm doing inside my affiliate marketing business and earning commissions. I will show you which product I'm promoting. I will show you my entire funnel as well as my email automation sequence. So if you want to get instant access of my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the link in the description below. And now, if you have any question related to this video, then comment below this video and I will definitely give you reply back. See you in the next video.